She's everyone's favorite chori.
मेरी कोई डिग्री नहीं है, मेरा कोई बिजनेस नहीं है, मेरा कुछ नहीं है. पति ने घर घर से सवाल रखी, कुछ नहीं है, मुझे करना है. I mean, I had calls and messages coming from people who I had not spoken to in I don't know that movie. I said, bro, I get it.
That's me.
That's me.
I'll ask you your recommendations in food, in travel,
My
in everything.
God. कल हो ना हो, गुजारिश.
Guzarish. Oh, bang on. She has been here for a while. She has seen the ups and downs, and she has taken everything head on. While I see back at her films, she has taken all shades, which I can't count. She has been the good girl, she has been the bad girl, and now she's everyone's favorite chori. Joining me for a conversation on Pop Diaries is Nusrat Parucha at Waikiki.
Yes, with great food.
Yeah,
So thank you for having me here.
thank you for coming here. So, Nusrat, I wanted to ask you, how have you been? Because an actor's life is, every day something is happening. So, how have you been, and how do you like this place, Waikiki?
I'm loving the fact that there's this amazing food which I really like.
Yeah.
I love Asian. I love sushi. It's brilliant.
Mm.
I'm getting a really nice mocktail. I've heard.
Yeah.
They're making something which I'm excited to taste.
Yeah.
And otherwise, I'm excited.
Mm.
I'm happy.
Yeah.
I'm slightly, I think, overwhelmed
Mm.
because yes, I mean, I knew what people were talking about Chori 1 when it came out.
Yeah.
And I knew there was this wait and wanting to watch part 2, but I did not realize that it's going to get this kind of reception. That from the trailer itself, people are going to a long time.
Correct.
And I said, "Oh, okay, you saw it. I mean, I didn't even send it to you, but okay, great, you saw it, and you're calling me, and I'm telling you, my heart is just full of a lot of gratitude, with a lot of emotions, that a film so special to me, at least, has connected and has, across, I think, ages and demographics, and the fact that it's on an OTT platform, it's reached so many more people.
Correct.
I'm just really happy.
For sure. Touch wood to that. And what does a day, normal day in Nusrat's life looks like when she's not working, away from work?
Oh, I wake up late.
Mm.
You cannot get me off my bed.
Yeah.
It's the toughest job to wake me up. I wake up late. I order, before I'm off the bed, only in my head, I've decided where to order my coffee from.
Okay.
I think that's my one trick to keep myself upbeat or make myself happy. आप अपनी खुद की खुशी के लिए कुछ ना कुछ करते रहते हो.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
मेरे लिए हर सुबह ये वाला है, आज कॉफी कहाँ से आएगी.
Oh,
So
lovely.
I wanna drink my favorite cup of coffee from different places, and I have each cafe में I'll have one fixed drink.
Yeah.
So I'll order my coffee. I'll wake up. I will have my breakfast. I'll wait for the coffee to come. Then I'll sit in my hall, play with my cats, talk to my mum, talk to my house help.
Yeah.
We'll sit and discuss पूरे दिन में क्या करने वाले हैं, खाना पीना, घूमना फिरना, what's the itinerary.
Lovely.
I'll finish my coffee. Then I compartmentalize my day. So then I said, okay, now I'm going to spend 2 hours returning all the calls I need to return, finishing all the work, sending all the emails,
Very
or
important.
writing, whatever I have to do in those 2 hours. I sit in the hall and I'll finish everything. Then I'll have lunch. Then I'll go to my room, get onto my bed, and watch a nice movie.
Oh, lovely, lovely, lovely.
That's my day off.
Yeah.
To just chill.
Unwind. That's also very important. So if someone asks a person from a third person's perspective to define Nusrat, and if you are that third person, how will you define Nusrat as?
Oh my God, entertainment, and entertainment.
That
When Vidya Balan ma'am said it in that movie, I said, bro, I get it.
That's me.
That's me.
We saw that while
Yeah,
we were not shooting.
I can't. I'm telling you, if I have a bunch of people, then I'm just yapping, going on. Something or the other is constantly happening, and the drama around me is real. Like if there was ever like a show around me, it'll definitely be called Keeping Up with the Drama.
Oh, I would sign up
It just
for it.
happens. Like मैं आपको बता रही हूँ, मैं गाड़ी में भी आ रही थी एक इंटरव्यू से दूसरे इंटरव्यू में, और मेरा इयरिंग गिर गया एक. वो गाड़ी में, मेरी गाड़ी में गिरा, मिल नहीं रहा किसी. सबने गाड़ी ऐसे उलट पुलट कर दी. It's not, I can't find it. So I'm doing this interview without earrings.
Okay.
It's just amazing, and I have to answer to the stylist and the designer where the hell it's gone.
It's
No
gone.
idea. It's
Okay.
gone.
But you are a people's person, I'm assuming.
Yeah.
You love to have people around.
Yes.
Yeah.
But I think I'm both. There are times when I don't want anyone around.
Shades. Yeah. Also, I have always seen your career closely, and especially the way you talk to people.
Mm.
I don't think there's any pretense. I have interviewed you earlier also for your initial films. You are still the same, and you're very opinionated. Like, you're brave, one of the brave girls we have here. Recently, you talked about that you were a little hurt when a film sequel didn't have you in the cast. And usually, what actors say, their staple answer is no regrets.
Yeah.
But you were very vocal about
Yes.
it. But when you are in an interview, obviously, when we see it, it comes from a place where you have already experienced that thing, and now it's coming out. But when it happens to you, when these kind of things which are unexpected, how do you take it?
Um, trust me, I feel like since I've been here for a while, I
Yeah.
can tell you it's gotten tougher.
Yeah.
आपको लगता है कि बस ये कर लेंगे, आसान हो जाएगा.
बिल्कुल.
ये मुश्किल है, इसके बाद आसान हो जाएगा.
बिल्कुल.
आसान होता ही नहीं कभी. It just keeps getting tougher and tougher. And I think the industry, social media world, this entire media world, not just for me, I'm guessing even for you all, it's just gotten tougher and tougher.
Indeed.
With time. And in a place like this, you can't sit and burden yourself with more of your own things. तो मेरा बड़ा momentary होता है. मुझे उस वक्त जब कुछ feel होता है, तो मैं उस वक्त बोल दूंगी, मैं रो लूंगी, मैं निकाल दूंगी. I might not do it in front of people. I might do it in my own closed space, which is my bedroom and my quilt. Under my quilt is where I really take out my real emotions.
Yeah.
So I take it out. I try and take it out of my system, and I think that's the only way to deal with it.
Yeah.
If I have to answer to your question, जो भी दिल में है ना, उसको अंदर रखो मत. I think that's the most unhealthy thing we end up doing, because we are in an environment where people are expecting you to be happy.
Yeah.
They're expecting you to be lively and chirpy. Even when you come to work, I don't think your office peeps want to see you sad enough.
Down,
they want to see
Yeah.
you pepped
Upbeat,
up and
yeah.
upbeat.
Yeah.
And that's an expectation which is set of everybody across every kind of
And on a
field,
per daily basis.
on a per day basis.
Yeah.
Can you imagine the amount of stress a person goes through just
Yeah.
saying that, okay, I'm having a bad day or I'm feeling sad about something, but I have to constantly pretend like I'm happy, I'm good, I'm laughing, I'm cracking jokes, I'm the life of the party. It's just, I think it gets too much.
Yeah, it's burdening.
It's a burden.
Yeah.
So the only way to remain healthy and to be normal and to take on anything else that life throws at you, जो अंदर है ना, उसको निकाल दिया करो उस वक्त.
Yeah.
भले आप, maybe you're not a person who can confront, and I'm not a confrontational person. I mean, I choose not to be. I can be, but I choose not to be. It's better. So I do it in my own space, but I try and take it out. अब मेरा सिंपल आंसर है, ये बात 2 साल पहले हुई थी.
बिल्कुल.
आज मुझसे पूछा जा रहा है, पर 2 साल पहले मैं हर्ट फील होके रो के निकाल चुकी, खत्म हो गया.
खत्म.
I'm here now talking about Chori, which is my film, and it's a sequel to my film, which is a very big deal for me.
Yeah.
Because I was one of 6 characters in a film. I started with an ensemble cast, where for the longest time people didn't know my name. Like, I would come on the red carpet and people would say the Panchnama girl.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like, I remember when I was doing Sonu Ke Titu Ki Sweetie interviews, and they asked me, what do you want from this film? Very honestly, I said, I just want people to know my name.
Yeah.
I want to finally be from a Panchnama girl to saying it's Nusrat Bharucha.
Very important.
मतलब मेरी आइडेंटिटी उतनी तो लोगों के माइंड में पहुंचे, जो उस वक्त ना मीडिया के लोग, मतलब आफ्टर यॉल जो पीआर के लोग थे, they would say, what is this answer? मैंने कहा, but it's true, guys. You have no idea how tough it is for me to find my own space here, and for my name to be remembered.
बिल्कुल, the basics.
People should know me from my name. That's what it is.
बिल्कुल सही बात.
तो मैं उस ethos से आती हूँ और उस struggle से आती हूँ, तो मैं अपने दिल में ना और कुछ रख नहीं सकती हूँ. I need to get it out.
Yeah. And move on.
And now I'm here, and that's just, it's a very big deal for me.
Yeah. 2 more such glory days and projects. You broke the mold with Chori. I remember when you headlined that project, all the reviews were fab. And now Chori 2 is also following those footsteps. I want to ask you, when you do a role which breaks the mold like this, and then, because you were image heavy also, what goes inside you when you sign it? Do you have those misconceptions that, okay, abhi, now I'm going into more serious work, the commercial roles will take a back step, and it's a great thing to do. So, and also it's very performance heavy.
नहीं यार, honestly मैंने ऐसा कभी नहीं सोचा.
बिल्कुल. Okay.
मैंने तो सबसे पहले LSD से शुरू किया, जो in itself बड़ी serious film थी, और मेरी स्टोरी में तो एब्सोल्यूट ऑनर किलिंग का ही सबसे बड़ा मुद्दा था.
बिल्कुल.
और it was serious even then, मतलब even though the story was a love story, but
Hmm.
eventually it ends in like a big tragedy. I started from that. I think for me, the films have come to me. Touch wood. That's been one very great feat of mine कि मुझे वो अच्छी कहानियाँ, अच्छे सब्जेक्ट्स आए, मेरे पास आए. अब वो मेरी समझ थी कि हाँ मैंने उनको चुना और बोला चलो मैं ये करती हूँ. वो शायद ब्रेव है कि मैंने वो हाँ बोली है. बट देयर वाज नो अदर थॉट इन इट कि ऐसे नहीं ऐसे करना है,
ये मिस होगा.
हाँ नहीं ऐसा नहीं था. मुझे बस वो कहानी पसंद आनी चाहिए, मुझे वो स्टोरी पसंद आनी चाहिए, मुझे वो कनेक्ट फील होना चाहिए इन व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू डू एंड व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से. अगर वो हो गया तो मैं वो कहानी हाँ बोल के करती हूँ. मींस आई एम नॉट देन thinking कि why should I play a pregnant woman, why should I play a mother of a 6-year-old or a 7-year-old,
Why not?
like why not, why should I go on screen and say मैं heroine नहीं villain हूँ. हूँ तो हूँ यार.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. आप अभी बात कर रहे थे that अभी भी as an actor when you're established, problems अभी भी endless हैं. I want to take you a little back. When you started Nusrat, हर एक आर्टिस्ट के दिमाग में एक प्राइमरी कॉन्फ्लिक्ट होता है which troubles them the most. Obviously they combat it and they move on, and now you're established. Now you're an established actor. What was that primary conflict in Nusrat's mind when she started, and you had some, like, you faced a lot of problem to overcome that? थोड़ा time लगा.
Because I started with an ensemble cast,
जी.
I think my main mind and worry or whatever I felt was कि मैं lead में cast होंगी कि नहीं. Will I be a leading lady of a film? See, understand, at that time, no, leading lady was a thing.
Yeah.
Now it's about actor.
Correct.
So now all actors are in a really good time and space. They don't have that pressure of saying you're not leading a film. You're not the hero or the heroine of the film. ये सारे concepts तब ना बड़े रियल थे.
बिल्कुल थे.
और आपकी कास्टिंग, आपकी पोजीशनिंग, आपका हर सब कुछ उससे ही डिफाइन और उससे ही आगे
वो ब्रैकेट्स और क्लासेस.
करेक्ट. मतलब तो मैं आई थिंक उस वक्त आई वाज द मोस्ट स्कैर्ड और द मोस्ट वरिड कि क्या मैं एक ensemble कास्ट से एक लीड कास्ट तक पहुंच पाऊंगी या नहीं पहुंच पाऊंगी. दैट वाज मे बी द इनिशियल वरी बिकॉज द इंडस्ट्री वर्क लाइक दैट. बट अगर सेम चीज अगर मैं आज स्टार्ट हो रही होती, लाइक इफ आई वाज स्टार्टिंग माय करियर नाउ विद एन एनसेम्बल कास्ट, आई वुडंट वरी अबाउट
या बिल्कुल. वो आप सोचते भी नहीं. जैसे आप अभी कह रहे थे चैलेंजेस अभी भी हैं. अभी लोगों को लगता होगा, सब assumptions पे ही काम करते हैं. पीपल assume a lot. उनको लगता होगा now that you are established बहुत easy access है. like make a call and you can get a project, but actually वो नहीं है reality. in these times, what do you think is the most challenging thing which the industry is facing right now, or which an actor like you is facing?
I think it's still about a person's open-mindedness to kind of cast out of the box, or cast just something different, or cast someone. I think that type casting जो होती है कि वो अभी भी थोड़ा प्रभावित है लोग उससे कि नहीं. Like I remember a lot of people said कि and I don't know why. They said, why are people think you're only that Panchnama actress? कि you'll only do these rom-coms, you'll only do this kind of a shade. I said, aren't people from a film fraternity? We are exposed to Hollywood films. Are you telling me that you will not cast one hero who's played a negative in one role or another role? I don't think they function like that.
People have been doing it
for years. मैंने कहा एक एक्टर क्या मोल्ड में अपने आप को डाल सकता है, नहीं डाल सकता, वो इक्वली एक एक्टर का भी काम है. उसको मौका तो दो. बिल्कुल. उसको बोलो तो सही कि हमें ये करना है. सी हाउ हार्ड दैट गर्ल और दैट बॉय इज वर्किंग टू गेट इनटू योर पार्ट. फिर आप बोलो कि भाई यू आर नॉट वर्किंग फॉर माय पार्ट, आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड. बट आप वो मौका ही नहीं देना चाहते हो क्योंकि परसेप्शन ऑफ हर प्रीवियस वर्क इज सो हेवी ऑन यू. दैट आई थिंक इज जस्ट it's not fair.
I had read somewhere that एक set की vibe जितनी अच्छी हो उतना ही it reflects on screen.
Oh yeah, 100%.
And I recently asked Shahid this question that for one of his recent films which was in the commercial space, so I said, does that affect your performance? So he said, like for a movie like Teri Baaton mein, it will be very light and every day will be a party, but on a set like Heather I have to be serious. It has to be a semi serious tone. For Chori 2, I'm assuming it will be in the similar domain. what was the vibe on the day one as compared to when it ended? वो पूरे दिनों का अगर आप
My
कुछ एक संक्षेप में
first
बताओ.
day,
Yeah.
I have landed on set and I've gone, and I'm obviously, I know what I'm supposed to do, and I know how heavy the film is going to be.
Yeah.
And now 4 years later, I'm doing something so heavy. I did Akeli, but it was still not as heavy as Chori 1 and 2 combined. मतलब तो 2 बार कर दिया, तो it was
बिल्कुल.
and I went and I'm like, हाँ जी सर क्या करना है? And he said लेट जाओ. तो वो जो जमीन थी, पूरा मैं ऐसे रेडी वेडी होके आई थी. मुझे जमीन पे लिटा दिया गया
जी.
मुझ पे धूल मिट्टी फेंक दी गई ऊपर से. मेरा फेस बांध दिया गया वो गनी बैग में, एंड बच्चे थे कुछ, एंड जो फिल्म में है जो मुझे खींच के ड्रैग करके लेके जाते हैं. दैट वाज माय फर्स्ट शॉट. सो ही स्टार्टेड विद ड्रैगिंग मी and making me bang into walls. My hand is going somewhere, my head is going somewhere, my leg is going somewhere, and they dragged me through the entire corridor and they left me in that room. That was my first shot. तो पहले ही उन्होंने मुझे जमीन पे ही गिरा दिया और जमीन पे ही घिसड़ा दिया और एक कमरे में बंद कर दिया कि जाओ भाई इधर ही पड़े रहो. बिल्कुल. तो that was it. Broke ice right there. उसके बाद there was मतलब फिर जो भी कर लो. But the film was very tough. It was very tough. I know कि जब मुझे लंच ब्रेक मिलता 45 minutes to an hour, उससे ज्यादा नहीं होता है. I used to come into the Rubanity. I would tell my entire team सब बाहर जाओ, बंद कर दो लाइट वाइट पर्दा वर्दा. मैं उसी हालत में जितना भी धूल मिट्टी खून कट जो भी हो मैं बेड पे सो जाती कंबल डाल के. I want a nap for 30-40 minutes to recoup. I would wake up 45 minutes later. I would literally eat my food in 5 minutes. Yeah. And I'll be back on set. But I needed that 30-40 minutes of switch off. Body, mind had to switch off. Yeah. Not that important. I needed to do something light and chit chat. I just needed to be knocked out. Yeah, correct. वरना बाकी का दिन हो ही नहीं पा रहा. Wow, that's a great tip for actors, I think. है ना? Yeah. Has a problematic set ever hampered your performance? I'm talking about other projects. Yeah. If you can talk about it, because it may affect the performance if the set is problematic. Yeah. So, I chose to be an actor because I genuinely love what I do. आप मुझे सुबह से रात एक सेट पे छोड़ दो मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. बिल्कुल. मैं ना टाइम देखूंगी ना मैं कुछ और देखूंगी ना मैं जो कहीं I don't have to go somewhere. I don't want to go somewhere. I want to be there. So when you are wanting to be somewhere for that long and that's your source of happiness, I don't want to be on a set where I'm not happy. Yeah. Where I don't like what's happening or I don't like the people, because then you're making me not like the one thing I'm crazy about or I'm most passionate about. Coming on set and coming to work every day cannot be a burden to me or a stress to me. Yeah, it should be liberating. Yeah, it should be fun. It should be like, let's go back, let's do the scene. But हाँ, एक ऐसी फिल्म थी जिसके लोगों के साथ पहले ही 2-3 दिन में बड़ी ऑफ सी वाइब चली गई और ऑफ सा कॉन्वर्सेशन और हेड स्पेस अलग था. एंड आई वाज जस्ट सो आई केप्ट ट्राइंग कि ओके वील मेक इट बेटर, वील मेक इट बेटर, वील मेक इट बेटर. तो 40 डेज शेड्यूल फिर ब्रेक होके 15 डेज बाद में से 55 डेज की शूट थी. I have learned it the hard way. That if I'm not on the same creative page and space, and I'm not in the same ethos with a team where we are both equally excited to put this work out and we're on the same track, then I'm not doing that film. Yeah. भले कितना भी मुझे वो फिल्म करना हो, कितना भी बाकी सब चीजें करेक्ट बैठती हो, बट अगर हमारा वाइब नहीं बैठता है, हमारा वो वर्किंग सिंक नहीं होता है, I cannot do that. I would rather sit at home and say it's fine, but I don't want to be on a set every day not liking the day. Yeah. So how did you combat it? You finished the project? I can't not. Once I take it on, then I can't not do it. मतलब मेरा वो problem है. मैंने लाइफ में हर चीज सैक्रिफाइस की है just to be on set. भाई की शादी, बहन की शादी, कुछ भी हो, कुछ भी हो. I said I'm not coming, and it's not even like I didn't even go to the producer and director and try and find time out. Yeah. Maybe they would have adjusted it. मेरी बहन की शादी थी, बोलते हाँ चली जा. बिल्कुल. मैंने अपनी बहन को बोला, मैंने कहा मैं नहीं आ रही, तू शादी कर, खुश रह, शादी के बाद मिलूंगी, शूट के बाद आऊंगी, अभी I'm on shoot, मैं नहीं आ रही. So I've done a lot to kind of what is it that you were asking me? मैं भूल गई. कहाँ से शुरू किया था?
difficult sets can hamper your performance.
वही है ना
बिल्कुल,
conversation.
बिल्कुल.
हाँ. So मैं भूल गई, मैंने कहा wait, what the hell was I trying to get to? कहीं खो गई.
Yeah.
So I'm saying I sacrificed so much of my life to be there. That once I've committed it, then I can't say no. So then I rather want that commitment to be a fun, happy space where you know I like to do what I do.
Yeah. लोगों को लगता होगा बहुत फैंसी है लाइफ, बट ऑब्वियसली देयर आर जितने कॉमन मैन की लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम आती है उतनी आती है. नाउ आल्सो वी टॉक अ लॉट अबाउट नेटवर्किंग गेम्स. मेरे बहुत सारे एक्टर फ्रेंड्स हैं, वो बोलते हैं, मतलब मैं तो एक्टर नहीं हूँ, वो बताते हैं कि हमें बोला जाता है यहाँ जाओ, ये पार्टी अटेंड करो. हाफ ऑफ द एक्टर्स से दैट पार्टी, बॉलीवुड पार्टी विल नॉट लैंड यू अ रोल, वहाँ पे काम नहीं मिलेगा. हाफ ऑफ द पीपल से इट माइट ओपन अ डोर फॉर अ मीटिंग. सो डू यू लाइक टू नेटवर्क? आपको क्या लगता है ये चीज है, इससे काम मिलता है?
यार आज तक मेरे करियर में तो किसी पार्टी पे जाने से
काम नहीं मिला,
कोई काम नहीं मिला. किसी पार्टी पे जाने से ऐसा भी कोई मीटिंग नहीं मिला है.
बिल्कुल.
ऐसा भी कोई दरवाजा नहीं खुला है. See, I don't know, maybe I've been to enough of them, so I've maybe understood what it is. You know, we're all human beings.
बिल्कुल.
एक डायरेक्टर, एक प्रोड्यूसर, एक कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर जो भी है, वो सारे इंसान हैं. वो भी अपना काम करते हैं, घर आते हैं, वो भी एक पार्टी अटेंड करते हैं एंजॉय करने. उनको भी समझ आता है कि एक पार्टी में एक इंसान आके अब कुछ एजेंडा से बात कर रहा है और कुछ काम निकालना चाह रहा है. So then that person also goes on to a guard and is talking to you in that way.
बिल्कुल.
Instead, he could have just been chill and say, let's just get a drink.
Yeah. Unwind.
Just enjoy the music. Let's just dance a little bit. Talk about sun, moon and stars, like random things, and go home.
बिल्कुल.
I feel और मैं ना लोगों के एजेंडाज थोड़े से वाइब और सेंस कर लेती हूँ. आई थिंक तो अगर मैं कर सकती हूँ तो आई एम श्योर अदर ह्यूमन बीइंग्स आल्सो कैन डू इट. तो मुझे नहीं लगता है पार्टी इज द राइट प्लेस टू डू इट. आई थिंक द मोर करेक्ट, रिस्पेक्टेड एंड द मोर elegant or classy way to do is to text the person the next day saying, hey, I would like to come and talk to you about this. अपनी बात clearly बोलो.
बिल्कुल.
कि मुझे इस काम के लिए आपसे मिलना था. Whenever you are in the right space and time to meet me and have a chat with me, I would love to come. I would love to just have a coffee with you. Simple. But if you're meeting someone in a party, just connect with them on a human level. Be normal with them.
Organically.
Chat with them. Have a good time. Come back home, yeah. Enjoy the party yourself also. Is what I would say.
Don't feel forced or pressurized to go. Yeah. Sure. I'm very interested in knowing about your upcoming projects. What is lined up?
I have another film which is again headlined by a female protagonist character. मतलब एक लड़की की कहानी है जो मैं प्ले कर रही हूँ. And that subject of that film also is so close to me. मतलब it's not a social evil practice, but Correct. It's a crime committed on women till date.
Okay.
And very brutally and very unapologetically. And मतलब मेरा ना खून खौल जाता है आज भी वो सुन के. तो when that film had come to me, I said ये तो मैं कर रही हूँ.
Based on a real life story or inspired maybe.
It's not a real life story. It's a fictional story. But जिस मुद्दे पे कहानी है वो हम अब कल का पेपर उठा लो कुछ तो उसमें भी होगा.
Correct.
It's that relevant and topical, and we still have that same issue coming up, and we're still fighting it.
Yeah.
But it's there, and I again don't know how this film has come to me, but it's come to me. तो वही मैं बोला, मेरे पास आई, मैंने देखी, मैंने कहा ये तो करनी है, कैसे नहीं करूँ. So that's supposed to come out this year sometime. I'm very excited about that also.
Okay, we would be waiting. And Nusrat, I also think you tell me whether I'm right or wrong. I also feel that you are very misunderstood in sometimes by the people. When we see a footage, if you're being yourself, people misunderstand you without knowing you. Do you feel that you are if I have to ask you, what is that one thing which you feel that you are highly misunderstood for?
I think so, and I don't know why. I've had a few people who I've gotten to know in the industry over time, and they have actually come and told me this. They said, "Yeah, you're nothing like." I said, "Finish the sentence." Nothing like what? Nothing like you see in movies, because obviously I'm not that. Nothing like you've heard from people, because obviously that's hearsay. Nothing like you've experienced before, because you've not met me before.
Yeah.
So sometimes I question the person. मैंने कहा, you're also an educated person living in this world. What is the rest of the sentence?
Correct. That's
there is no
important.
rest of the sentence. It's just मैं आपको बता रही हूँ आज मैं हम जितने लोग भी बैठते हैं हम, और कोई भी एक एक्टर का नाम मुझे बता दो आप, और आप बोलो, आप मुझसे पूछो इसके बारे में गॉसिप बताओ,
बिल्कुल
मैं आपको बोलूंगी भाई इतनी अच्छी लड़की है ये, इतना अच्छा काम करती है, आप बोलोगे मैं बोलूंगी व्हाट अ बिच, you know what she did there and you know the attitude she threw there, and you will be like really
yeah
tell
yeah
more.
yeah I get
Why
it.
are we like that?
Yeah.
Why do we want to believe wrong about a person or the negative about a person इतने जल्दी से, और किसी की अच्छाइयाँ आपको रजिस्टर ही नहीं होती है, क्यों है ऐसा?
इंटरेस्ट नहीं आता.
इंटरेस्ट ही नहीं आता, हम उसमें ज्यादा इंटरेस्टेड है कि बताओ उसने क्या किया, बता क्या, क्यों है हम ऐसे?
Yeah.
So when people are misunderstanding me, I don't really know what to say to them.
Yeah.
I'm
Recently, also there was a video where you were walking the ramp and
like,
you
yes, oh my god, we are
told that
there.
girl to move. And I saw the comments. No one knows what happened actually because we cannot hear. There's a trending music playing.
So again, okay, that's what I have to say. Then I'll say it here again. The third time I'm saying it in interviews. But
Yeah.
so no matter which fashion show you pick up, there is a showstopper. Chalo, forget showstoppers. Even if
Okay.
there's a normal model walk, no model comes in front and blocks the the center.
Yeah.
For another model at the back.
Correct.
कोई नहीं करता.
Correct.
You have to come, finish your walk, turn, walk back. And when they're turning, they turn from the side and walk back. Like center walk back नहीं होता because पीछे से एक और लड़की आ रही होती है.
It's all choreographed.
अभी वो लड़की आ रही होती है to be seen. So you cannot block center. You have to keep center open, which is a very basic concept in any fashion show. Very basic. मतलब ये तो क्या ही बताऊँ मैं. And she was also not a model. She was one of the designers from the NIF Global School. So she was one of their students. So I don't think even she knew what is to be done. तो वो खड़ी होगी बेचारी जहां भी जाके. अब अगर कोई गलत खड़ा है, उसके बाद मैं ही आ रही हूँ और मैंने ही वो शोज किए हैं. जब पीछे बैक स्टेज से तो लड़की नहीं आ सकती भाग के वो माइक पहन के कि बेटा व्हाट आर यू डूइंग, वो तो नहीं हो सकता. तो भी मैं ही गई हूँ and I'm supposed to close the show. I'm the showstopper. It's my closing frame, photo.
Yes, yes.
No showstopper is standing behind anybody. So I went and I told her, अब इतनी आवाज में, you're right, इतना आवाज मैं बोलूंगी तो उसको सुनाई तो देने वाला नहीं है.
बिल्कुल.
तो मुझे physical touch ही करना पड़ेगा कि hi darling, can you just give me some space? Because my own designers जिनका outfit मैंने पहना है वो भी उधर है. तो मैंने उनको भी बुलाया. मैंने कहा guys, you got to come here because that's how a picture is formed.
The basics.
अब मैं क्या बोलूं? इससे ज्यादा मैं क्या ही बोलूं? मैंने कहा अच्छा इसको भी गलत, ठीक है, ओके भाई,
ओके भाई.
व्हाट टू से?
आदत से आपको आदत हो गई इन सब.
हाँ मतलब can't do anything.
Okay. So before we move to the fun section, serious बातें बहुत हो गई. तो बहुत सारे लड़कियां आती हैं मेरे शहर से, मैं भोपाल से हूँ, वो आते हैं यहाँ पर.
I've shot छोरी one in Bhopal.
Yeah, I know.
And also selfie in Bhopal.
Yeah, selfie was also shot in Bhopal. Yeah. So बहुत लोग आते हैं यहाँ और उनको आते ही ओपिनियंस की बॉम्बार्डमेंट होने लगती है कि जिम ज्वाइन तो करना ही है, पोर्टफोलियो तो बनानी है, बट जो सही एडवाइस है वो कोई नहीं देता कि यार एक्टिंग स्कूल ज्वाइन करो. और इतना कंपटीशन है, आई थिंक बहुत डिफिकल्ट है टू बिकम एन एक्टर. किसी एक लड़की जो आई है उसका डे 1 है, नुसरत उसको क्या एडवाइस देगी? व्हाट विल बी योर एडवाइस टू दैट गर्ल हु वांट्स टू बी एन एक्टर?
यार मैं उसको कहूंगी सबसे पहले तो डिसाइड कर ले कि क्या क्या गिव अप कर सकती है, कितने टाइम के लिए गिव अप कर सकती है. You just said I've been here for a while, and that's a long while.
Yeah.
And you can't be here for that much while if you're not prepared to sacrifice it all and stick around. I chose to not have anything else in life but this. I didn't have a backup. I still don't have a backup. So अगर कल मुझे कोई पिक्चर में कास्ट नहीं करेगा तो मुझे नहीं पता मैं क्या करूँ. To be very honest.
Oh.
So I think if she's a girl, then she's going to have a tougher road because she will be asked to pick at some point between 2-3 things. And you got to be clear enough, passionate enough to know what choices you want to make. So be strong enough to make those choices is the first advice I'd give her. I would not tell her, bhai, gym ja, portfolio click kara. वो सब part and parcel of the struggle and process hai.
Yeah.
But you can only start the struggle and you can only start the process if your head is in the right place.
Yeah.
So first, make your strong choices, make your brave choices, and then start.
I hope all the girls are listening when we will watch this. Now we'll have a little meal. You
Okay.
start, and then I'll go to the recommendations. I'll ask you your recommendations in
Recommendation.
food, in travel,
My
in everything.
God. I never knew I was going to answer all this. Guys, थोड़ा तो मैं prep करके आ जाती.
Now, serious बातें हो गई. अब थोड़ा
Stress हो रहा है
fun.
मुझे. Serious बात में stress ही नहीं होता. इस पर stress होता है
इस
मुझे.
पे
Shit.
stress होता है. Now I'll
बताओ,
play the
बताओ.
7 seconds challenge with you. I'll ask you quick questions, quick answers. 7 seconds का timer
तो ये
लग
रख दो.
जाएगा.
I cannot be eating and doing this.
No, you can. You can.
Are you making it tougher or what?
चलिए, सबसे पहला 3 dance forms.
I recommend.
No, any 3 dance forms. You just have to say. No recommendation.
Belly dance. I like contemporary, and I like Bollywood.
Okay. आपको 4 आर्टिस्ट के नाम बताने हैं, recommend नहीं करने. 4 आर्टिस्ट, any artist. Understand?
Artists.
हाँ, कोई भी painter हो सकता है, actor हो सकता है, कुछ भी.
MF Hussain, since you said artist. Jackson Pollock, since you said painter, I love him. Sunidhi Chauhan, my absolute favorite. Bosco Caesar, हो गए 4.
हाँ, बिल्कुल. Okay.
Singer, choreographer, painters.
अरे,
एक
variety.
भी actor नहीं बोला मैंने.
Variety. 4 desserts खाने वाले.
ही भगवान, ये मैंगो पैशन फ्रूट आइसक्रीम जो मैंने आज ही खाई है. फिर वो ट्रेलेशियस जो भी है, वो जो मिल्क वाला आता है. मूंग दाल हलवा मेरा एब्सोल्यूट फेवरेट. और क्या है? जल्दी बोलो.
जलेबी.
जब जो कुछ भी बोलना मेरे को सोच के बोलना है. 1 सेकंड मुझे पसंद है. बेक चीज केक्स. टाइम भगवान रुक जा.
बिल्कुल रुक गया. रुक गया. 3 item songs.
3 item songs. छोटे छोटे पैग, सैया जी. If you want to call Dil Chori, then Dil Chori.
Yeah, definitely.
I guess. मेरे ही गाने.
बिल्कुल. 4 planets.
Mars, Jupiter, Venus, Earth.
Yeah, 2-3 seconds में दे दिया आपने जवाब.
इससे क्या planet?
3 फिल्में जिसमें lead actor is romancing 2 heroines या फिर the heroine is romancing 2 actors.
प्यार का पंचनामा 1, प्यार का पंचनामा 2, सोनू की ड्यूटी की स्वीटी. 3 हो गई. Thanks very much.
तीनों में
अपने ही नाम लेंगे हम. खत्म.
बिल्कुल. Now, if you're a Shah Rukh Khan fan, 3 films where Shah Rukh's name is Rahul.
भाई एक्चुअली यार राज राहुल में बड़ा कंफ्यूजन होता है. ऐसे ना करो यार. नाम मेरा राहुल है, याद तो रहेगा. हाँ जी. दिल तो पागल है. राज था राहुल था. करेक्ट हूँ मैं?
हाँ, दिल तो पागल है. करेक्ट.
वेरी नाइस. कुछ होता मैं राहुल था. वेरी गुड. और डीडीएच में तो नहीं था, उसमें राज था. कौन सी थर्ड फिल्म है?
कभी खुशी कभी गम.
ओके 3
इसमें भी है. कोई नहीं.
चलो कोई नहीं, 2 तो मिल गए.
बिल्कुल. 3 films जहाँ पे lead actors die.
आनंद. कल हो ना हो. गुजारिश. ओहो, bang on. 3 Bollywood thrillers. शैतान. दृश्यम. Is अकेली a thriller? So I guess
अकेली.
मेरा नाम तो लूंगी.
बिल्कुल. And lastly, 3 comedy franchises.
3 comedy franchises. So भूल भुलैया. Horror comedy हुआ.
Correct. बिल्कुल सही.
प्यार का पंचनामा.
बिल्कुल.
थर्ड क्या है franchise कॉमेडी में? अरे फुकरे. Too good. And because you played so well, I have gifts for you from a brand, one of very cool brands called House of Cork. Okay.
And so, because I'm assuming you travel a lot,
so this is what?
This is a planner. This is a bag where you can keep all your things.
Like the travel hanger type thing.
Yeah, and you can just carry them on the go.
That's interesting.
And I think tumblers are very much in, so there's an insulated tumbler for you.
That, okay, I got it.
And I also got to know you're a coffee person, so
yes, I like this.
Yeah, you can see the color.
It's black.
It's black.
Goes with everything.
Yeah.
Thank you. Perfect. I like gifts. मुझे इसके पहले भी gifts मिले.
Lovely. Yeah, and I also love talking to you.
Yeah.
Looking forward. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Nusrat Bharucha, and you're watching me on Pop Diaries. Fat नहीं है ना कुछ?
Cool. Are you happy?
Imagine that.